In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webinar in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Calendar. This is where you create and manage meetings, events, and webinars, so it's the right place to begin. At the top of the calendar view, click the New Event dropdown. From the available options, select Webinar. This opens the webinar setup page where you'll enter all the important details for your event. Start by typing in your webinar title. Choose a clear, specific title so attendees immediately understand what the session is about. After that, set the date and time for the webinar. Make sure the timing works for your intended audience, especially if participants may be joining from different time zones. Next, add the organizers and presenters. Organizers typically manage the event, while presenters are the people who will be speaking or sharing content during the webinar. It's a good idea to double-check these roles before moving on, since they affect what each person can do during the event. Then, add a description with the webinar details. This section should explain what the webinar will cover and give attendees enough context to know what to expect. Keep it concise but informative, since this may also appear as part of the event information. After that, configure the registration settings. Here, you can decide who is allowed to register, choose what questions appear on the registration form, and review the event details that registrants will see. This part is especially useful if you want to collect specific attendee information ahead of time or limit access to a certain audience. If the option is available, customize the webinar registration page. This helps make the event look more polished and gives potential attendees a better experience when signing up. Before you finish, review the meeting and event options carefully. Pay close attention to presenter permissions and attendee settings, since these controls help determine how interactive or restricted the webinar will be. Taking a moment here can prevent confusion on the day of the event. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the webinar. After it's saved, copy the registration link and share it with your attendees so they can sign up. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams webinar is now ready to go, and you can begin inviting your audience with the registration link